here through Carpenter, and Dunbar are going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
Cars, 15 laps, $500 on the line, or a starting spot in the 60 lap, $10,000 to win compact Class A main. Here we go. Ewing, Stevens, they're going to go green flag racing here. Oh, as we got trouble as the top two cars get tangled up there, and the 51 of Ewing's going to get turned into the wall. So Stevens is going to pull it into the infield. Looks like his night will be over. Move the right side lane up. Chad Weber is your new outside pole sitter coming around. We'll try it again for 15 laps, 9 cars now. Ewing's going to get a lot better start that time, but Chad Weber gets a good start, but Ewing's going to take the lead off into turn number 1. Look at the 7R of Ricketts there on the inside of the 2 car of Weaver. Look at Ricketts. He's got to run on the bottom side. He's trying to take that lead over. Not going to be able to do it as they complete lap number 1. Side by side going into turn number 1 out of turn number 2. The 51 will pull him down the back straightaway. Look at that 7R of Ricketts. The bottom side hasn't been there all weekend long, but look at the 7R. Use it on the bottom side. Side by side for the lead briefly in turn number 1. The 51 will have the momentum down the back straight away. Coming around to lap 3. Will we get a slide job? Slide job right there. That was almost an incident. We got a new leader here in the non-qualifier race. Give it to the 7R Ricketts. 51 of Ewing will fall back to the second place. Chad Weaver third. Look at a 13 of Porter. He looked to the inside briefly there for that third spot. You see the 15 of Nick McDaniel. He's way off the pace there. Can the 51 of Ewing as we completed lap 5 right there. 10 to go. The 15 of McDaniel will pull it in. His compact clash is over. Coming around to complete lap number 6 this time by. As the top 2 have kind of gotten away. Then Chad Weaver back there in third. Jason Porter fourth. And the 115er Behringer there in the 5th spot. Seven laps into this 15-lap non-qualifier. Look at a battle for third. Jason Porter is trying to get up there, looking to the inside. I'm telling you what, there's a little something on the bottom developing in this one. Ewing's going to get up into the loose stuff up there. The lights begin to come on here at the Beckley Motor Speedway. Coming around to complete lap number 9 this time. Oh, trouble for the 51 of Ewing. He's out of this one. Now the battle there for the second spot between Weaver and Porter. Porter looked to the inside briefly that last lap by. As I tell you what, that Andrew Rickett away lead on the 2 car of Chad Weaver. Coming up 4 laps to go. Porter looks back to the inside of Weaver. Coming around to complete that lap. That's the best battle on the racetrack. Battle for second spot as the 7R of Ricketts is gone. Another battle back there with the Behringer car 115 and the 77 of Tyler Gill. Smoke rolling out of the 115 car. He's going to pull it in and call it a day. Oh, we're going to have a caution flag in this one as the 115 did not pull it off the track. New life for the 2 car of Chad Weaver. That's exactly what he needed. three coming around. Does Chad Weaver got anything for him? Green flag back in the air. Rolling off into turn number one. Ricketts has got a good car. I sure hope he decides to start the A-main if he finishes this one out. Porter dives real low. Not going to be able to get there. 2 laps to go in this non-qualifier event. The last preliminary event of the night here at the Beckley Motor Speedway. Look at the 9:16 of Sam Ricketts trying to take over that third spot. A white flag in the air for Ricketts. Just 2 more corners for Ricketts, and he'll have a choice between $500 or starting the A-main. Here he comes. Andrew Ricketts will win your non-qualifier race. Chad Weaver second, Sam Ricketts third, Jason Porter fourth, and look at that, the 64 car wasn't even scheduled to start in this one. Got in because we moved the car out. He'll finish 5th, and then Tyler Gill will round out your field. So we'll get Andrew Ricketts over to the tech shed. They'll ask him the important question, and we'll get right back with you on that one.